Hello. Um, Hello. I'm really sorry, Mike. It's really taking long time, but finally I have completed everything based on your last modification, except some of the portion. Not some of the basically, we accept the number 8 portion. I will talk about the number 8 portion, why it is not possible to complete number 8, no problem. Okay, I have already opened your website, and also I have ready your docs file, modification docs file. So I will explain the everything whatever I have done for you, and so that you will get the you will get every idea that how everything is working on the website. So from the very beginning I have already logged in your website, and this is my plugin which I have developed. So I'm going to click on the general option. So from your first modification I want to get started, which is you said that you need to add the BENE as a prefix for the unique number and the group ID. That means whenever you will type a ID for the user, for the unique number, for the group ID, that will have a prefix called BENE will be added automatically, right? So this person has already done. So as you can see that this is basically BENE 2003. So if you want to update this unique number, what you have to do, you have to click on 001, like 2001 I will want to set as a unique number for this user. So if I want to click on the update UN, so it will update the unique number for that user. So right now it is 3, and after reloading that you can see that the unique number has changed. I have typed only the number. The BENE has already automatically added with this number. So this is basically the first option, which is general option. You can find all the members here, and this is serial number, username and user email, current UN. And if you want to update the unique number, you can put a update unique number and click on the update UN, and then this will be updated. Okay, and this is the account type. Okay, first responder, organization, business and market. Okay, there has another account type which is charity. So it's basically depend on the registration form. It will come from the registration form anyway. So then we will want to go for the second option, which is the other pages. Okay, this portion you mentioned that the person whoever logged in on the website, this person group ID will be used as a referral code on the next page. So we want to give a message to the user, referral code. Okay, to use the referral code based on the group ID, right? So right now, and for this I have to log in as a user on this website. So for this I'm gonna log in on this website as a first user. The first user is Akash321. So I'm going to log in on the website as a first user. Okay, it's not loading because it's basically the local site. So I'm going to add benefits 91911.com, sorry, slash not wp admin. I'm gonna my account. Okay, so it will open my account page. Okay, so this basically referring me the administrator login access, because I have already logged in there with this username and password, and that is why it is referring me. Okay, as I will use this user member to log in on the site, then I will put this one, and finally I will use the password. Okay, 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 remember me, and finally click on login. Okay, I have already logged in on the site, right? So your thing was that after login on a website, people will be able to use their group ID as a referral code, right? So I have already logged in on the site, right? So if I want to click on plans and want to purchase a plan by this function, by this option, then I will get a option. I will get the coupon code message as a referral. So as you can see that it is saying that use referral code BE1234, because I have set two options there. This is basically under the coupon message, right? So if you as you can see that the current coupon message is set there. If you just take it blank and click on submit, then it will come up dynamically. Okay, right now the current coupon message is empty, right? So if I just reload this page again, then you will see the dynamic message, which is basically coming from the database. Please use the code BENE1324 as a referral code. This BENE1324 is basically the group ID for this user, right? So as if I just check this general option, then you will saw that the BENE, like, okay, not replicated side, I have to go the replicated side. Then you will see that the Akash 321 has basically containing the BENE 1324 as group ID, right? And this group ID is basically referring on this website as a referral code, right? So whoever logged in on the website, whoever member logged in on the website, and if they try to purchase a plan, they will be referred as their group ID as a referral code under the product thumbnail. Okay, so but before this, obviously you have to set a group ID, okay, and unique number and group ID. Then only it will show here. Okay, it will show here. Okay, the next thing is that so you can set your custom coupon code here, as well as the dynamic coupon code. If you set a custom coupon code by yourself, then it will override the dynamic. Okay, so if you just write a coupon code by yourself there, then it will show under this. So if you blank this and click on submit, then it will set as a dynamic coupon code based on the group ID. Okay, so this portion has already completed. So the next thing is cannot get any of the replicated site. Okay, this portion has already fixed, because I have already I just last time I just set some of the restrictions so that no person can view this, because the work in progress was going on at that time. So right now is open for everyone, so you can show anyone, you can see any of the members exist on the website to see their profile and other information. Okay, so this portion has already completed. So so if we go to the fourth now, so you said that the card design will be the change, and yes, I have already changed the card design with some of the information. So as you can see, if I if I go to the site and benefits911.com/member/like BENE 2001 or 200, I don't know, just check username or check unique number first. So okay, this I want to see this profile. Okay, just click on the member/BENE, and as soon as I will just click on the member/unique number, and that time it will open the profile of that username, right? So this is basically the a card for replicated site for this username or for this unique number or against the username, okay, against the user. Okay, so this portion has already completed, and okay, so the number 5 is so the email is sent out, the new registration, it shows the password in the clear text. Is there any way to say that registration? So I don't know what you mean by it. I didn't found anything after the registration on that. So I would like to request you to clear it again, because I did not get any point by this sentence. Okay, I'll skip it for now. And you mentioned about another note, that is where I go to when I go to my website here, and I can change it. Okay, against this, and welcome to listening. This is okay. This message maybe you can set somewhere else. Okay, I will talk about it. If you just explain it in brief, I will change it, no problem. This is a simple thing. Other thing has already, as the main thing has completed. So another notes that when I go to my account, affiliate link is here, there. Can you change it? Okay, this portion I want to talk about. This portion basically I have removed all the links, because test link does not help the members anymore. So the links which is basically helped by user after logging to their account, that only test links I have just put there. No other links unwanted link I just remove that. So if I go to my account, then I will see that if I go to my account, then you will see that all other links is completed. Only 4 links I have written, I have just add there: dashboard, replicator site, contact signing, and shop. There's only 4 links currently here based on the need. So this portion has already completed. Number 6, for the replicator site, we need that card that pasted above, but also need some of the information. Okay, you said that you need some of the information to show dynamically by the user, right? So that means the user will be able to set some of the information which will be will show on the replicator side, right? So for this, I have already set this set a field for setting up the information, but not this way. As you can see that you said me that to make an option like check this display to replicator site. So this is not possible exactly like this way, but I have set an option to set the information which will basically show on the replicator site. Like if I want to click, if I just click on the replicator site info, then you will get an option like set the information to show on your replicator site. Here you can find the name, business name, address, phone number, contact email, PayPal email, and finally more message. So this option is basically will show on the user profile. Like if I visit again bene94.911.com/my account, or not my account, basically member slash, okay, if I want to visit a member profile, then you will see that, okay, oh sorry, it's not localhost, it's basically the live server, okay, /member /bene2001. okay, I'm not sure, 2001 is not exist so far. Okay, it's exist maybe. Oh yes, 2001 is exist. Okay, this is the user profile, and under that you said that you need some of the information which will be come up from the backend by the user, right? So this is the information, this is the greeting message, and this is name, this is business name, and this is address, this is the state and zip, and this is the phone number, and this is the regular email, and this is the PayPal email, and this is finally the more message. So this is basically coming from the backend, like from this form, right? So the person will be able to set the information on the bottom of the bottom of the card from this form. Okay, this is basically under the replicator site. Okay, this portion has already finished. And number 7, when they are go to the replicator site, it should look like so. This is basically completed, as you can see. So number 8, there is a way to automatically save the contracts. Okay, this is the number 8, no problem, and as I talked about it in brief. So this is basically not possible in sense, because this contract signing process is basically handling by a third-party application, right, which is called eSign. So so it's not possible to communicate with that plugin by external API or a external hook, action hook, or a filter hook. Okay, so they are not providing any action hook for this, and this is why it is basically restriction, and I will not be able to do this. Okay, so this portion I want to say that I have nothing to do about this section, but I have tried many times to find out the various solution for it, but unfortunately I didn't find it. Okay, so for now I'm gonna skip it, and I'm gonna go to 9 now steps. So if I close out the contract space, then I cannot see them again. So it's really problem, because for the first time whenever they will complete the registration, maybe they will find out the option to complete their contract signing process, right? And whenever they will, if they lost that option or that page, then where they will go for finishing their contract signing process, right? So, and for this I have already added an option called contact signing on the my account page. So after login a member on your website, they will get an option called contact signing. Okay, and they will get an option to contact sign. Okay, if I click on the contact sign, then I will be able to see the link to complete the contact signing process. Here you can see, if you do not sign your contact yet, please click on the link below to complete the contact sign. Okay, if I click on the contact sign, okay, as you mentioned that this link only will be available based on the account type, right? Yes, I have did the same thing. Whenever I will just click on the contact signing process, then it basically redirect me to go to the contact signing process. So as you can see that your account type, so I just want to go back again. So after clicking on the contact signing process, I have just get this message, and whenever I will click on the complete contact sign, it will basically refer only one link based on my account. That means my account is currently fast responder organization. Your account type is fast responder organization. Please click on the button below the complete process. Yes, the account I have, which I have currently logged in, which is the first responder organization. If you check that you will, that account type is fast responder organization, right? So, and this way I can only complete the process based on my account. So if I click on the process steps, then it will complete, it will give me another page to complete the process. Right now there have a two process here to sign in, because you already mentioned that in your docs file that to remove the DD form, right, for the user. Instead of this, you want to set a PayPal email, which I have already set on the member profile. They will be able to set up a PayPal email on their profile. So, and DD form has already removed, and they have two options for the fast responder contact sign. Okay, so and then again I want to back my account to show other portion, my account, and then number 11, can we add the header? Yes, I have added already header, because I that time I was working some of the portion, and that is I just hide the header, theme header, and right now it's basically getting the header. So if I want to show you that, so if I want to add external unique number which is not exist, so it will basically show me a error, but with the theme header. Okay, this is the theme header and this is the error message. Okay, let's go back to the member profile again, and let's check about your other modifications. So number 12, you on your video you say you have user info. Okay, I want to talk about this user info. Is basically, is this user info is basically referring this add info link. That means add info links is basically the doing the same thing, which is doing the user info. So this user info is basically created some of the problem, is creating some of the problems if I visible this here. Okay, because I am assigning the group ID or other information against the username. So I have set this link for every user, so that you can set a information for every user. Okay, so this user info is not needed here. Okay, and that is why I just remove this. Okay, everything is basically happening by the add info link. Okay, which you will find on the under the replicated site. Okay, if you want to add a group ID, then you have to click on the add info. Okay, right now the group ID is basically assigned 1324. So if you want to update the group ID, just you have to click on add info, then you have to click on the group ID, right? So just want to set the group ID like 1020110120. Okay, so as soon as I will click on the submit button, it will just redirect me another page. Okay, it is basically redirecting me another page to show the group ID. Okay, I have just finally, maybe my server is okay. I have to log in first. Somehow the browser cache has cleaned, and that is why it just redirect me to that page. Okay. Okay, that time, so I'm organizing the last modification. So this way you can add the the replicated site info, I mean group ID, from this option. I don't have the under the live site, not sure. Okay, so basically you don't need the user info. Okay, add info is basically adding the group ID. Okay, so this way you can do that. Okay, no problem. Then go to the number 13 modification, which is the coupon code part. Okay, so also the store need be addressed. Also the store needs be addressed. Okay, right now the store is under the, okay, if you want to add a menu on the store, call store on your web page, no problem, I will add it. It's really a small thing. But you mentioned about the right now it is basically the store is under direct site. Okay, no problem. The store portion is basically already added on your main site, but the store portion only available to see for the registered member, not for the unregistered person will see available to see the member. So you just mentioned a link that member area. I did not find any member area on your current site, I mean the updated site which I'm working on. But if you need any member area with some of the information, then I can add that page, no problem. But for the shop, it has already added it on your website. So as you can see, you can also cross this link. So if you want to cross this link, remove this link from the bottom, I can do that, no problem. I'm just talking about the major thing which I have already done by the plugin and some custom coding. Okay, this is the shop. Okay, it needs to go. Okay, shop page. Okay, on the main side, yes. And this registered member only can see this. Yes, I have already make that option. Like I am already logged in on the site. If I want to go the shop page, I will be able to I will be able to see the I will be able to see the shop, right? So this is basically shop. But if I just logged in, if I logged in and try to visit the shop page, then I will give a warning. It will give a warning, like if I just logged in and then just logged in. So if I want to visit the shop benefits91.com/shop, then it will throw an error to me that yes, this page is basically accessible for the registered user, right? Registered user. If you are registered user, please log in first. So if you are registered user, please log in first. If I click on the click to log in, then it will it will just redirect me to another page to log in, and then finally I will be able to log in again. Okay, so this is how it's working. So okay, and then I'm going to set the okay. So then I just need to help. Okay, I just need to help the setting up the items. Okay, if you want to add new items on the page, I will show you how to add a new items. Okay, just for showing you I'm going to show you how to add a new items on your profile. Right now, as you can see that that has 5 products published on your page. If you want to add new products as a plan on your website, you can do that, no problem. Like these are the 5 plans right now. If you want to add more product on your website, then you have to go to the products option and you have to click on add new. Okay, so this is basically the add new product page. So for now, for showing you, I'm just adding a product called test product. So you have to give a title first. This is the product title, and this is the product description box. So you have to just set it. This is the product description. Okay, sorry, description. Okay, and then finally, as you can see that in your website, every single product is basically referring to external website. That means it's basically redirecting me finally to an external page, right? So and that is why it's basically they basically add external products, right? So on your website you can add external product external, which will basically redirect the user to external product, right? This is basically simple product, and if you want to add external product, then it will basically redirect the peoples to an external link. So just click on affiliate product and you have to make a link there, then it will transfer the user to another website. Okay, but for now I'm going to just show you a simple product addition. Like you have to give a price there. Like for this test product, I'm going to set the $100 price, and I'm going to click on plans categories. Otherwise it will not show on the shop page, because shop page is basically only fetching the data based on the plan categories. Okay, I did not set any image for this product, test product. So I'm gonna um, set a image for this product so that you can see how it's going. Okay, for setting this image, just you have to click on the product image. Okay, click on the product image, and finally you have to set a product image from the media library. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is the test image. Just click on the image, and then finally it will set there, and once it will be visible, then you have to click on the update product. Okay, this is visible here, and click on the update, and as soon as you will click on the update button, and it will publish, and it will show on your shop page. Okay, so let's see, it's basically reloading. It's still uploading. So the product has uploaded, and finally if I reload this page, and I will get this product on the number 6. Okay, this is the test product, right? So this way you can upload your product, no problem. But for now I'm going to delete this product, as I have just, for showing purpose, I have just added this product. So for deleting this product, just have to find out this product and have to make it trash. Just okay, it's reloading, and I'm really sorry, the video is taking too much time, because everything I'm trying to explain, and that is why the video is it is longer video. Its size is basically going to be longer. Okay, I'm going to trust this product so that it's not visible on the plan page, and as soon as it will be trashed, then I will going to for the next modification. So as you can see, now you see that now the coupons would be used here when ordering supplies. Okay, so this is basically the coupon code. They have a two coupon code. The coupon code which I have already set in your website is basically custom coupon code, right? And this coupon code you mentioned basically only available whenever the purchasing process will be completed within your website, right? So right now, as you can see, that this product is basically transferring you to a external or third-party website from where they can purchase the product, right? And for this I have set the custom message or custom coupon message, and so that they can copy that code to use the external third-party website. But whenever you will add a product, and whenever you will add a product with the price, and the purchasing process will be completed within your website, that time only you will be able to set the coupons code. Okay, now as you can see that you mentioned that now the coupon would be used when ordering supplies after the registration process is done. Okay, and we need them to buy the replicated site. Okay, this is basically depending on you, because you can control the replicated site. Whenever you will see that the person has already completed the registration process, or they purchase the plan, that time you can activate their website. Otherwise the site will not be replicated site will not be activated, right? So this is basically depending on you. After content sign up contacts, completing the sign up contacts, you can set the unique user using unique number and as well as the group ID. It's not a problem, but still, if you don't activate the site, it will not be activated. So it's basically totally depend on you. Okay, so then finally the coupon I mentioned, our conference call is that also. Okay, I did not know which coupon code you mentioned. The coupon code you mentioned, I have already done this. So we will be doing a webinar that will give out the information of our business and give a coupon code. Okay, replicated half on. Okay, no problem. The coupon code, custom coupon code, which I have already developed on your site, you can use it. And the other things I have already talked about, that purchasing process whenever will be available to confirm within your website, that time only available to use the coupon code within your website. Okay, so we need a way to create coupon codes. WooCommerce has those abilities. I just need to figure out. Okay, I'm just going to show you how you can set a coupon code, but it will not work for that product, because that product is basically referring to external website. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can create a coupon codes for your for your products. So as you can see, for this I am going to restore the previous products, because for accessing or for using the coupon code, you must have to be a product, have to have a product on your website, which is basically with a product price, and which will be capable to complete the process, purchasing process within your website. Okay, so I have just restored this test product, and if I want to reload this shop page, then I will find out the test products again on my website. So the final process, I'm going to show you how you can create a coupon code. Okay, so this is the test product, and for this I'm gonna show you how you can create a coupon code. So for creating a coupon code, you have to go the WooCommerce, and you have to click on coupons, and finally you will get the option to make a coupon code. Okay, right now okay, it's coming right now. As you can see that there have no coupon code has created on this website. So if you want to create your first coupon code, you have to click on the coupon code, create your first coupon code, and then you will get the option to create the coupon code, and it says that coupon code, okay, like say BENE911 is a coupon code, and okay, and description is basically optional. So let's say that this coupon code will help you to purchase the plan with 50% off. Okay, so the discount type is basically the percentage discount, and I'm really sorry for the noise. It's basically getting so much noise from the around. I'm really sorry for it. So for setting up this coupon code, and you have to set a coupon code first of all, then you have to set the discount type. I'm setting this percentage, like say it's 50% off, and 50% off is basically, and then you don't have to give the 50%. Coupon amount 50, that means it's percent, and expiry, you can set expiry coupon code, that means after that time it will not be available for using. So, and finally you have to click on the publish button, and as soon as you will click on the publish button, the coupon code will be available to use, and this coupon code has already available, right? And right now if I want to buy this product, add to cart, so I just click on add to cart option. That means the product is basically adding my cart, and this is the option coupon code. And as you can see that if I use the BENE option, then it will it will just reduce the 50%. Okay, this way you can create a coupon code from the backend. Okay, so okay, so let's delete the test product for now, because we don't need it for the showing purpose. I just add this product, so I'm just going to delete this product for now, and then I will go for the other modification you mentioned. Okay, click on trust, and then it will be deleted. Okay, and now we will go for the other options, other modifications. Okay, so WooCommerce has zero value. Okay, but everyone has to sign up, I will get replicated site. Okay, this is basically depends on you. Whenever they will sign up, complete the sign up, you will just activate the replicated site. That's it. So and 15 nongs for the forms. Can we delete the direct deposit form? Yes, I have already deleted the current deposit forms from the contacts for every account types, and they are going to pay by PayPal. Okay, PayPal has already added it. As you can see that I have make a field for putting the PayPal email for putting the. Okay, this is basically giving me the error, because I have already from the backend the test product has removed, and this is basically giving me the warning. Okay, no problem. Click on the replicated site, and you will get the option to set the PayPal email. Okay, this PayPal email is basically will show on your profile. Like if I go to the member, and then if I go to BENE 2001, then you will find that with test information, with below the card that have various information, and you will get the PayPal email address from there. Okay, this is basically this part already PayPal email has added. So I think everything whatever you need, I have tried my best to complete, because and I'm really sorry for it basically taking long time, because because everything is basically creating by custom coding. No other thing is basically happening by the default, because everything is basically doing happening by the custom coding. So it is basically taking so much time, and also there have some of the uncertain situation, as I'm living on my living on a village with my parents. So it is so tough to so tough for me to work on the website for due to some other problem like internet connection and some other problem as well. Okay, so I'm just trying to, so I'm not going to make this video longer. So you will get every options here. Just see the video from the scratch very carefully. Okay, thank you so much.